In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your net worth in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money automatically calculates your net worth by subtracting your liabilities, like loans and credit cards, from your total assets, including bank accounts and investments. This gives you a clear snapshot of your overall financial health. To see this, first make sure all your accounts are connected. Go to Accounts, then click Add Account to link your banks, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts. The more complete your data is, the more accurate your net worth will be. Next, head to your dashboard. Scroll down until you find the net worth widget. You can drag and place it at the top so it's always visible. It shows your current total, along with trends over time and a breakdown of your assets and liabilities. If you want a more detailed view, go to the Reports section. This gives you interactive charts where you can track changes over time and filter specific asset types like cash or investments. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.